Chainlink Connection grabbed the eye of financial backers when it hit $52 in May 2021, yet numerous crypto devotees had previously had their eyes on this token some time before that. This imaginative undertaking empowers generally associated savvy contracts and does it in a completely protected, solid, and effective way. Very much like the name recommends, the Chainlink network is utilized to interface chains. It utilizes a decentralized profit organization to associate outside information sources to different blockchains. Past being a fascinating task with strong true applications, Chainlink is likewise a beneficial venture. In this video, we will introduce our Chainlink cost gauge for 2021 to 2030. Chainlink is a decentralized profit network that was based on Ethereum. Its symbolic connection is an ERC-677 token, which is an augmentation of ERC-20. The Chainlink network is utilized to work with secure and dependable exchange of information between off-chain sources and on-chain shrewd agreements. Chainlink Connection tokens takes care of the information from off-affix sources to brilliant agreements. Connect tokens can be put away in any ERC-20 viable advanced wallets, as the ERC-677 standard has a similar usefulness as the ERC-21. The organization is upheld by countless information suppliers, hub administrators, security inspectors, shrewd agreement designers, and numerous others. Chainlink guarantees decentralized investment for all clients that collaborate with the stage. Anybody can turn into a hub administrator on the organization. Chainlink's new white paper, which was posted back in April 2021, illustrated a few new elements and capacities of the organization, including however not restricted to, crypto financial marking, off-chain calculation, numerous protection-saving highlights. Chainlink is a somewhat unique undertaking. It was perhaps the earliest organization that permitted off-fastened datum to be moved to on-chain brilliant agreements, and its creative nature has drawn in a considerable amount of accomplices and information suppliers, like Who are Chainlink contenders. As a digital currency, Chainlink in fact contends with the whole cryptographic money market. As a venture, nonetheless, Chainlink doesn't have that numerous contenders. The three principal ones are Band Convention, API 3, and Winklink. As the fundamental motivation behind profit organizations, like Chainlink and those three referenced above, is interfacing different tasks, making them viable with one another in this present reality. The main measurement for them is the quantity of procured accomplices. Also, Chainlink is a long ways in front of its opposition. It has tenfold the number of organizations and combinations as those three consolidated. It is without a doubt the main profit organization. Chainlink value examination. Presently, we should investigate Chainlink cost history. Chainlink is extraordinary as it doesn't follow the typical altcoin cost developments. It didn't have a dangerous beginning like numerous other more modest coins or tokens, and it figured out how to recuperate from the auction that followed its first mooning. Interface had been not able to defeat the $5 cost level for right around 2 years, really investing the majority of that energy stuck underneath the $1 mark. Its most memorable large break came in the mid-year of 2020. Chainlink figured out how to hit $19 in August. From that point onward, Connection went through a short remedy period and began rising again toward the start of 2021. Chainlink cost in 2021 followed the crypto market, ascending in mid-spring, arriving at its top toward the beginning of May, and afterward gradually declining back to its pre-mooning numbers. Notwithstanding, dissimilar to numerous different coins and tokens, Connection figured out how to recuperate, drifting around the $26 mark now. The ongoing Chainlink cost is $27. Chainlink value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Chainlink costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Chainlink will be $8.66913. The most extreme level that the connection cost can reach is $9.73903. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $9.06909. Connect value figure for September 2022. In view of the value variances of Chainlink toward the start of 2022, Crypto specialists expect the typical connection pace of $8.29917 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $7.50925 and at $8.53915, separately. October 2022, Chainlink Value Conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their figure for the connection cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $8.30917, while the most extreme could reach $8.86911 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Chainlink may be around $8.62914. Connect Value Conjecture for November 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value changes of Chainlink in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal connection rate they foresee may be around $8.88911 in November 2022. It can drop to $8.56914 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $9.29907. December 2022, Chainlink Value Conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the connection cost will be exchanged at $9.06909 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Chainlink worth to $9.73903. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $8.66913 in December 2022. Chainlink Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Chainlink in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Chainlink will be around $12.84872. The most extreme expected connection cost might be around $15.64844. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $13.29867 in 2023. Chainlink Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Chainlink, in 2024, connection is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $19.36806 and $22.9677, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $19.89801. Chainlink Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Chainlink and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base connection cost could drop to $27.63724, while its